This is for all you pros out there. All you mechanics, landscapers, and construction crews who beat the crap out of your air and water hoses. You need the best. And the best is Extreme Performance Flexzilla Pro air hose and Pro water hose. It's rugged, it's lightweight, about half the weight of rubber hose, and it always stays flexible and kink-free down to 40 degrees below zero. Yep, below zero. That's why Flexzilla Pro is the go-to hose for extreme weather conditions. On top of that, it's field repairable, quick and easy, right there on the job site. Here, I'll show you on this water hose. The spiral bend restrictor gives you a tight bend radius to keep things flowing. So you just slide it on, then the nut, then insert the barb, tighten the nut until it deadheads, then you click in the bend restrictor and you're back to work. It really is that easy. Now let's say you have a damage to the middle of your hose. After cutting away the damage, you can splice together any two sections with a double-ended barb and two sleeves. Just slide them on, insert the barbs, and tighten them up. Efficiency like that keeps your downtime on the job to a minimum. And we know time does equal money. Even better, all Flexzilla Pro hose is made of a premium hybrid polymer, as durable as it is flexible, so it'll hold up way better than other hose, and it won't get brittle and hard to use. That means Flexzilla Pro hose makes your work easier. This hose is awesome. And check out the Flexzilla Pro Custom Hose Center, either freestanding or a pegboard shelf unit. If you're a retailer, you can stock your custom hose center with Pro Air, Pro Water, or both. You can set it up with 1/4 inch, 3/8, or 1/2 inch air, or 5/8 water with all the fittings to match. Let's say you need a 3-foot connector hose. You just measure it, cut the length you need, and then grab the correct fittings to fit the hose diameter, and then it's the same quick and easy steps as field repair. You get the exact custom length hose you need. I'm talking about Flexzilla Pro air hose and Pro water hose. The hose that started a revolution is the hose that's going to help you do your job better and faster. Flexzilla Pro.
The Flexzilla Deep Freeze Challenge. Flexzilla is a revolutionary hose that redefines flexibility. To prove it, we left 5 air hoses in a snowbank overnight. Rubber, ester-based polyurethane, PVC, ether-based polyurethane, and industry-leading Flexzilla. Flexzilla is made from premium hybrid polymer material. Flexzilla stays flexible in all kinds of weather, including temperatures down to 40 below zero Fahrenheit. So flexible that oil companies in Alaska rely on Flexzilla to maintain their operations. Here's how Flexzilla compares to the competition. If it's not Zilla Green, it's not Flexzilla.